Hello there, my name is Felix. Today I'll be showing you how to make grilled cheese. First step, you want to get your ingredients out. Then you might want to add something to your toast if you want to, like mayo or butter. I chose butter. Then you're going to prepare this. You can also put some butter on it if you want to. Once this here, you want to spray it. And then if you want to do it, put some butter on it. More butter. Butter pan up. Butter pan up. Yes. Bread and the cheese. Get the cheese. Put the cheese on the bread. Put the bread. And you want to put this on the thing. Right, yeah. Now we're waiting for this to be done, and then you're going to flip it. Then after that's done, just like, yeah, and get a drink if you want to. I love you. So just wait. It's done. Open off, and now it's done. That's my quick steps to eating cookies.